Hi, I'm Jelly Kunanan, and today I'm gonna show you how to subtract integers. Let's take this first example. Always remember the rule that when subtracting integers, we will change the operation to addition, then get the opposite sign of the subtrahend. So in our example, 5 minus 7, let's change first the operation minus sign into plus sign. Then the next step is to get the opposite sign of the subtrahend. Here, we have positive 7 and the opposite of positive 7 is negative 7. At this point, we have now the operation of addition. This time, we need to follow the rules of addition of integers. When we are adding the opposite signs, disregard the signs. First, subtract the number of the bigger number. We have here 5 and 7. Now let's subtract 5 and 7. We will get 2, and after that, we will copy the sign of the bigger number. Here, the bigger number is 7 and its sign is negative. Therefore, our answer is negative 2. Let's try another one. This time, we are subtracting both negative integers. So, we have negative 6 minus negative 4. Again, we need to remember that when we are subtracting integers, we need to change the operation. So, now, we have to change minus sign into plus sign. And then, the next step is to change the opposite sign of the subtrahend. Here, our subtrahend is negative 4, and we all know that the opposite sign is positive 4. Now, let us add this one. As you can see, we are adding opposite signs. Therefore, when we are adding opposite signs, we need to disregard the sign, subtract the numbers, so we can have 6 and 4. If we will subtract them, we will get 2. And then we will copy the sign of the bigger number. Here, the bigger number is negative 6. And since it is negative, so our answer is negative 2. Now, let's go to our final example. This time, we are subtracting opposite signs. We have positive 8 minus negative 5. Again, our first step is to change the operation into addition. So, let's change minus sign into plus sign. And then, after that, let us get the opposite sign of the subtrahend. The opposite sign of negative 5 is positive 5. Now, as we can see, we are adding positive numbers, and if we are adding two positive numbers, we are just simply add them and copy the positive signs. Therefore, 8 plus 5 is the positive 13. I hope you like my video. Thanks for watching.